Hello everyone and welcome to another video. So do you have a problem with your screens like this? So look at it. This is my screen that I'm trying to put on the windows. And normally it's supposed to look like this, right? You're supposed to have these little windows that you can open up. And that's going to allow you to access the handle for the window and open and shut it, right? But this one has completely broken off the screen. And it has come detached from the actual screen. So let's talk about how to fix this. It's actually pretty darn simple. So the first thing you're going to want to do is come here, and the way these things attach is there's just a little piece of gasket inside. So all you're going to have to do is go get yourself a little screwdriver, and first thing we're going to do is dig out this little gasket. So you see that comes out really easily. Okay, let's set that aside. And now let's think about how to attach and fix this part to the screen. So, again, this is probably the reason this thing breaks. You can see it's super flimsy, right? There's actually just a little bit of plastic here and here. So we're going to do our best, and we are going to go ahead and see if we can glue these back together. So let me go ahead and grab some CA. Where did I put the CA? Ah, here it is. Okay. So I'm going to get some CA glue, and we are just going to be pretty generous with this and see if we can get this to attach. So I'm going to put some on right there. I'll probably have to do a little bit more in a second. I was getting patient. I like to use the this accelerator so I don't have to sit here and hold the super glue. Just put a little bit of accelerator on. There we go. Okay. I'm going to probably come back up and cake on a little bit more in a little bit. In fact, you can even see this is like not doing so great, but this is not supposed to be pretty. It's just supposed to hold it. Okay, so now that we've got it glued on and flipped over, now what we need to do is take this screen and just tuck it into the groove. So, pretty darn simple. Just see, it tucks right back in to where it came from. This is a nice thing about just simply replacing this, is you don't have to recut anything. It's really just as simple as just tuck the existing screen back into the groove. There we go. It's all tucked in. Then just go ahead and grab your gasket that we removed earlier, and you just kind of wedge it in. And that's what's going to pinch the screen into the plastic housing. And we should be pretty much good to go. So I'm just going to go ahead and kind of squeeze it in as much as I can with my fingers. And then we can just go ahead and grab ourselves a little bit of a flathead screwdriver and really kind of jam it down. There we go. And we'll just go all around. And we should pretty much be done at this point. All right, there we go. So now I think we've got our screen repaired. So there it is. So let's make sure. Oh, I hope I didn't glue this shut. Ah, there we go. There it is. It opens. Closes again, maybe not as well as it used to, but it definitely still works and should function. So now let's go ahead and you can then install these back on your windows. So there you go. Very quick and easy video. I hope it was helpful. I think I'll talk to you later. Bye.